Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see what is messaging queue. What is the main purpose of the messaging queue first of all? The messaging queue, it is helps to send the message from one system to another system asynchronously. So this is the main thing. So it helps to send the data from one system to another system asynchronously. Okay, so we know that, but this is not the only way to send the data from one system to another system. Um, we know that there is a FTP protocol in Linux environment, and we have RESTful API services. So these frameworks also help us to send the data from one system to another system. But they are happening. Those data transfer is happening synchronously. But after the introduction of the reactive web client with the help of RESTful API service, we can send the data synchronously. But before the introduction of the reactive web client into the market in the Spring world, the Spring ecosystem, we were using the messaging queue to transfer the data synchronously from one system to another system. Okay, so what are the advantages of using the messaging queue? So the main three advantages are, let's go one by one. First one is, consider I have an application which is written in Java, and I want to send the message from here. Message, in the context here, message, it refers to the data actually. Okay, I want to send the data from the Java application to another application. The receiver application, it can be written in any language. It can be a .NET application or Python application, or it can be written in the Java also, doesn't matter. So if you want to transfer the data from two different applications written in different languages, in that case messaging queue uh, will work without any issue. And also this messaging queue supports to transfer the data across the distributed networks, distributed system, or distributed applications. For example, I have an application which is deployed in a Linux environment, and another application which is deployed in the Oracle WebLogic server. So irrespective of the environment or platform in which the application is deployed, I want to transfer the data, then that case we can, messaging queue will helpful. And also this messaging queue is more reliable, where there is very less chance of losing the data during the transit. So these are all three main advantages of messaging queue. So that messaging queue is a concept. This concept can be achieved in Java with the help of an API. That API is called JMS API. So this JMS is part of the enterprise component. I mean the Java Enterprise Edition, Java JDW component. Same like EJB. EJB is enterprise, another enterprise component as we know. So the API in Java which helps to achieve or implement this messaging queue functionality is called JMS API. So this API is the specification. The implementation is provided by various many application, many companies. So for example, Apache ActiveMQ is one of the JMS provider, and IBM MQ is another JMS provider, and Amazon, it uses the SQ's Java messaging library. RabbitMQ is another JMS provider, brokerage applications, JPass, HornetQ. These are all other list of other MQ providers, JMS providers or implementation providers. Okay.